Okay, in my food processor I have 113-ounce nicely washed black beans. You could do kidney beans, you could do white beans, it's entirely up to you. About 1 cup of walnuts, 1 teaspoon of Georgian spice Khmeli Soneli. It looks like this, and it's a mix of thyme, rosemary, about 12 herbs. You can buy it on Amazon. I have 1 teaspoon of salt in it, and I'm using a garlic paste that I made, but you can use about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. I'm putting about not a full teaspoon of this garlic paste. My garlic paste recipe, I have it. I could also put that up, but this is about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Now we're gonna do about tablespoon of vinegar. It's essential to this recipe. We start with a tablespoon, and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to start with, and about 1/4 cup of water, because we do need water. We will add as we go, but first we start just like this. So everybody can see the consistency. It's grinding, and we need to grind it more until it becomes, see, we could use about another tablespoon of water, and we say tablespoon because that's better, tablespoon by tablespoon. Okay, so this one is about tablespoon of water. So far we had 1/4 of a cup, and we're adding another tablespoon. Let's press. The consistency is fine. We just have to make sure, bring everything from the sides so it's equally grinded. The consistency is fine. Now we have to see the taste. Let me get a spoon so we could taste for the spices and everything else. Okay, we're gonna taste to see the salt first. The salt is fine, it's good. We're gonna add another tablespoon of this garlic paste because it adds flavor. So basically right now we have 2 tablespoons of this garlic paste, which at least 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, depends on the size. Then we're gonna add another 1/2 teaspoon of our spice, which will make it about 3/4 of a teaspoon. 3/4 of a teaspoon, and probably another 1 teaspoon of vinegar. So right now we had 1 tablespoon, and now another teaspoon. And the salt, yes, about another 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Perfect. We're gonna mix it. Let's see. It's pretty good now. The consistency exactly as we wanted. So it was 1/4 of cup of water plus 1 tablespoon. It's perfect. The consistency should be like this. Perfect. So what did we have in it? 1 can of beans. We had 4 tablespoons of the spice that I mentioned, khmali sonali. 2 teaspoons of my garlic paste, which you can use 4 cloves of garlic. It's about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It's about 1 teaspoon and a half of salt, and 1/4 cup of water plus tablespoon. So I'm gonna write the recipe and we're gonna do the test. Perfect. It tastes great. It's exactly the way I like it. Now,
Done?
done.